Planning a family trip to New York City should feel exciting, not overwhelming. So here's the smoothest, most stress-free 3-day NYC itinerary created just for families, where every moment is easy, every stop is kid-friendly, and every day flows like a story your children will never forget. In the next few minutes, you'll see a gentle, day-by-day itinerary that helps parents experience New York City without feeling rushed. Each day includes famous attractions, fun stops for kids, stroller-friendly paths, nearby parking options, and simple time estimates that make planning incredibly easy. You'll learn the best times to avoid crowds, where to rest, how to move between places smoothly, and even emotional wow, moments your kids will remember for years. Let's begin your calm and beautifully planned NYC family adventure. Your first morning in New York begins in the heart of Central Park. The city is still waking up, the air is cool, and the sound of taxis fades as soon as you step onto the pathways. The plan starts at Heckscher Playground, tucked between trees and rock formations. The moment you walk in, you feel that softness, the kind of place where kids run freely, climb, laugh, splash in the summer fountains, and forget they're in a city of millions. It's an open, spacious start to your day, giving kids the energy release they need before heading into the next adventure. Parking tip: use SP Plus parking at 200 West 71st Street. Best time to visit. Arrive before 10:30 a.m. when the park still feels calm and peaceful. Wow moment. Watching your children run with the skyline rising behind the trees, the perfect New York contrast. Pro tip: bring a towel for summer splash play and a small snack so you don't rush to lunch. From the park, a short walk takes you to one of the most iconic family attractions in NYC, the American Museum of Natural History. The moment you enter, the cool air and quiet hallways offer a gentle break from the city outside. Kids' eyes widen instantly at the giant dinosaur skeletons, a moment that never fails to create pure awe. Moving through the exhibits becomes a journey through oceans, space, animals, and history. The Blue Whale Room is usually the highlight. Standing beneath that massive, suspended whale is a memory that lasts forever. Time suggestion: spend 2 to 3 unrushed hours following the exhibits your kids naturally gravitate toward. Parking: use the museum garage. Best time: late morning is peaceful after school groups finish their early tours. Wow moment: standing under the blue whale as soft light fills the room. Quiet, powerful, unforgettable. Pro tip: get tickets online to avoid entering through the longer walk-up line. A calm family lunch nearby keeps the day smooth. Shake Shack on the Upper West Side is a simple choice: burgers, fries, lemonade, and airy seating. Perfect for picky eaters and quick enough to keep the pace gentle. After lunch, step back into Central Park for a smaller, calmer zoo experience at the Central Park Zoo. Sea lions sunbathe along the rocks, penguins zip through the water, and the rainforest dome wraps you in warm air as colorful birds fly overhead. Kids always love the Tisch Children's Zoo, with animals close enough to see clearly and pathways wide enough to move at your own rhythm. Parking: use Icon parking on E80th Street. Best time: late afternoon brings softer light and active animals. Crowds: avoid early mornings, which bring school groups. Wow moment: the penguins glide through the water as kids press their hands against the glass. Pro tip: save the zoo for later in the day. It's lighter, calmer, and easier. Day 2 begins with just a taste of New York's busiest landmark. A short, intentional visit to Times Square offers kids a burst of excitement. Flashing lights, animated billboards, giant characters, but without staying long enough to overwhelm them. Stay near the edges, take a few photos, show the kids the massive Disney and M&M stores, and then glide out before the real crowds arrive. Parking: use Quick Park on 45th Street. Best time: arrive around 9 to 10 a.m. when the streets feel spacious. Wow moment: kids staring up at the billboards like they're in a movie scene. Pro tip: don't go at night with young kids. It's too crowded and chaotic. A 10-minute walk brings you into the wide, open plaza of Rockefeller Center, where the morning light reflects off golden statues and fountains. Your main goal here is Top of the Rock, the most family-friendly observation deck in NYC. Elevators glide smoothly to the top, where the skyline opens in every direction. From up here, kids can spot the Empire State Building, Central Park, and the tiny yellow taxis far below. The air is fresh, and the open space feels safe, calm, and picture perfect. Parking. Rockefeller Center Garage, best time. Late morning for clear skies without the sun glare. Wow moment. The moment the doors open and the skyline stretches out before your family. Pro tip: avoid sunset hours, too crowded and long lines. Just steps away, the stone towers of St. Patrick's Cathedral offer a peaceful moment in the middle of Midtown. Inside, sunlight filters through stained glass windows, and for a few minutes, everything becomes quiet, something every parent appreciates during a busy travel day. 20 minutes is enough to rest, breathe, and enjoy the calm. Next, walk over to Ellen's Stardust Diner, where the servers sing Broadway songs while serving your food. Kids love it. Cameras come out, and parents get a chance to sit and relax while enjoying the fun atmosphere. Pro tip: arrive early to avoid lines. Your final Midtown stop is one of the most relaxing pockets of Manhattan, Bryant Park. Children can ride the carousel, chase bubbles in the grass, and enjoy the wide open space. Parents can sit, sip iced coffee, and watch the city swirl softly around them. From the park, walk over to the grand steps of the New York Public Library, perfect for family photos or a quiet break before heading back to your hotel. Parking. Nearby garages. Wow moment. Kids are spinning on the carousel while skyscrapers stand around them like giants. Pro tip: late afternoon offers the best shade. Day 3 begins in Battery Park, where the breeze carries the smell of the harbor and seagulls glide overhead. The Statue of Liberty Ferry is one of the best family experiences in YC because the boat ride itself becomes part of the adventure. As you glide across the water, kids stand at the railings, waiting for the statue to grow bigger and bigger on the horizon. The island has plenty of space to walk around, take photos, and enjoy open views without the busy city noise. Parking. Battery Park parking is expensive, around $45 to $60. Best option is to park at South Street Seaport and walk, or take a short ride. Best time: take the 9 a.m. ferry, calmest, fastest, and coolest. Wow moment. Seeing the statue up close for the first time, a moment every child remembers. Pro tip: skip Ellis Island if traveling with younger kids. It adds extra walking and hours. When you return, head straight to the Battery Playscape. It's beautifully designed with climbing areas, water features, and soft landscaping. Kids release all the extra energy from the ferry ride, while families can sit, relax, and enjoy the harbor views. Best time: late morning or early afternoon. Wow moment. Harbor breezes, city skyline, and pure joyful play. To close your NYC family story, take a gentle walk across part of the Brooklyn Bridge. Not the entire bridge, just the first section, enough to enjoy the skyline, the wooden planks under your feet, and the cables arching overhead. The light in the late afternoon is golden and warm, turning the city into a glowing backdrop for your final photos. Parking. Park near City Hall. Wow moment. Standing together as a family, Manhattan behind you, the bridge stretching into the sky. Pro tip: walk only as far as your kids enjoy. Turn around the moment they start getting tired. Mistakes to avoid: trying to do too much. NYC feels big, but your itinerary doesn't have to be. Simple days are the best days, not booking major tickets online. This avoids long lines that drain kids' energy fast. Staying out too late. Evening crowds and lights can overwhelm younger children. Skipping rest break. NYC is exciting, but it's also overstimulating. Slow moments make the day smoother, choosing far apart attractions. Keep events clustered so walking remains gentle. Food and snack recommendations: Junior's Restaurant, comfortable seating, classic comfort food. Liberty Bagels Midtown, fantastic for breakfast or quick snacks. Joe's Pizza, perfect slices for picky eaters. Hudson Eats, many choices under one roof. Pret a Manger, simple sandwiches, clean seating. Thanks for watching. If you want more cinematic, relaxing, and stress-free family itineraries every single week, make sure to subscribe. Your next family adventure is just a click away.